Okay, Euro US dollar has been selling off correctively as far as I can tell. There is now a trend line established, so any retracement to it should see more sells. There's also a horizontal level where traders should come into the market on the sell side. So this, I am looking for it to continue still towards the 55 EMA on the daily, that is. And Euro New Zealand, I thought we had a low in today because there was a very good reversal on the 1 hour strong hammer short-term buy. It reversed in full. So I'm still looking for this to be a buy. However, keep in mind, I'm looking for the gap to be filled. There's the French election gap that needs to be filled. So on the next low, again, the alerts will sound. 300, really the low is coming, the gap rather is coming in the area of about 230, 240. Sorry, just had dinner. So that region too is anywhere 240 and above, maybe 200. I'll watch it again on the next low, but I am looking for a low here and then a move up. So nothing has changed there yet. The bearish trend remains. Now, Aussie New Zealand, I want to point out one possibility. It did see the sell-off today. I thought we would have another move up, but on the lower time frames, there was a flag that established overnight for a number of hours, and that was a selling opportunity. So going into what I wanted to say about this is that if Euro New Zealand does find a low, now obviously on Aussie New Zealand, this is a bearish setup so far. And there are a number of ways to count this as well. It doesn't have to be a WXY like that. It can also be something else. This can be a 5-wave move, and on the next low we can see a reversal. What I wanted to say is if this turns into a 3-wave decline, it could open up for a flat. For example, 3 waves here, if there are 3 waves here, and then a 5-wave move for a flat. That is a possibility. There is another possibility that on the next low, it will complete an actual 5-wave segment and then a move up, probably corrective. So I am watching for that. There's also a trigger here with a long wick. So if this does move down correctively in a 3-wave move, I will be wary of a reversal for a flat or something else. But for now, the bears have it. Okay, US Canadian did not make that low. It seems to be edging up now correctively. So if we see a further 3-wave development, there will be, I think, a sell opportunity in this. Keep in mind, all 3-wave corrections are selling opportunities in this pair. And if Euro Canadian can hold the last low, we can work a correction in this as well. Though I feel it needs to hold this most recent low, or something else may develop, I'm not sure. But if it holds this low from last night, I will be looking at it as the start of a correction as well. So far it seems decent enough with some divergence appearing. And hold on, I think there was something else, just a second. Oh yeah, US dollar yen. If we're going to count this as a 5-wave move, I mean, I'm counting this as a 5-wave move, and I can count this second part as 5-2. Now we are open to a number of things. If this is going to hold, rather for the bullish case, I would like to see this low hold. So we have something like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 from there, basically. From a bit lower, but I would like to see that low hold. Well, 2 candles like that. Let's see it edge up. At the moment, I have the suspicion that it's looking corrective, but I'm still looking towards 113 before a reversal. It's just today's candle from the day before, yesterday, look rather weak, and if I can say I've seen this before, it looks a bit suspicious now. But for now, I think the bulls have it, and I'm looking for the upside to hold. Euro Yen also, I'm looking at this essentially as a three-wave move. So it's corrective. So I'm favoring at the moment one more corrective leg, for example, a bit of a bigger three, and then maybe we'll see another move down. But for now, because of US dollar yen too, I'm looking for another high in this overall. I just think it started correctively. Okay, for now, I will leave it there. The main pairs are the ones I've been talking about. US Canadian, Euro Canadian is now on the table, US dollar yen, and Euro US dollar have been working well this week. Okay, bye bye.